Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for pharmacy school. First, focus on understanding the core concepts rather than just rote memorization. This approach builds a strong foundation for complex topics. Next, actively engage with your study materials by working through practice questions and case studies. This helps solidify your knowledge and prepares you for exams. Finally, make it a habit to review your lecture notes within 24 hours to significantly improve information retention. To study smarter, incorporate spaced repetition into your routine. This method helps move information into your long-term memory effectively. Creating concise flashcards for drug names, dosages, and mechanisms of action is also incredibly beneficial. These quick references are perfect for on-the-go review. Additionally, forming a small study group can provide new perspectives and help clarify difficult concepts through discussion and peer teaching. Effective time management is crucial for pharmacy school success. Start by developing a consistent study schedule each week, treating your study time like important appointments. Break down large assignments and topics into smaller, more manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. This makes the learning process less daunting. Also, allocate specific time blocks for each subject, ensuring you give adequate attention to all areas of your curriculum. Maintaining your well-being is just as important as studying hard. Prioritize getting adequate sleep each night, as this is essential for optimal brain function and memory consolidation. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals, to help you stay hydrated throughout your busy day. Taking care of yourself will ultimately enhance your learning capacity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.